Okay, I'm back again. As you can see, I got the front cover on it. Front cover plate. Got all the bolts in. Tighten up. Bolts underneath the pan. The four bolts underneath the pan. Then it's got two big bolts here. One here and one underneath there. Got those bolts nice and torqued down too. So I got all the bolts in. This bolt right here is for that sensor, so you didn't have to take that off, but my guy did already. But as you can see, I got the timing tool on for the phasers right here. Got this piece set in, got it tight, holding down this crank sprocket. Got that in place. I double checked this, make sure my plate is on back there, and my pin is still in there for the crank right there. So that's still in. So all I gotta do now is get me a 21 millimeter, 21, 22, whichever one it is, that go right here, hold that, hit the bolt in the middle at 37. So I gotta move these out the way to get to it anyway. So I gotta take these out, 37 foot-pounds, and then 60 degrees, 37 foot-pounds and 60 degrees, I'm done. Then I start putting this thing back together, get the water pump on it and all of that, put it on back together and fire it up, baby. But that's how you do that. So it's real simple, man. You know, a lot of folks on there making it, doing too much to explain. So I just broke it down for you in 2-3 simple steps. Give you the specs. Just follow certain videos. You got to put a wrench right here. You hold that stationary while you torque it 37, and then do additional 60 degrees, and then 37 foot-pound, then additional 60 degrees. But you got to hold your wrench right here stationary. Don't let that move. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it. Too bad I can't record because I don't have a tripod to hold everything. But that's how you do it. Peace out.